What's good, everybody? How y'all doing today? Hold on, let me fix my mic. How y'all doing today? Got another reaction video. Gonna be reacting to a prehistoric B-size comparison. So animals from damn 80 billion BC. Might as well say. Let's get right to the video. No more talking, but make sure you follow and subscribe to my channel. If you don't follow and subscribe to my channel, I'm assuming you hating. You're a hater. So follow and subscribe. Let's get it. Okay, we got a dodo bird. Them extinct. Them extinct, I believe. I don't know what the hell that is. I don't know what that is. Oh, they old, so of course I ain't gonna know what they is. That shit like a deer, a reindeer, but it just got horns in it. Kangaroos, saber-tooth cat, I heard of that. I don't know what the hell that is. Gorilla. Wow, boy, this shit big ass bird. Ain't no way them birds that big. Elephant bird, I heard that before. Bro, I promise, bro. Back then, fucking animals looked so scary, bro. I'm so glad them shits extinct. Cause boy, if they was on this earth to this day, we fucked. A pig? What the? I didn't know that. Yeah, they the same size, but that was probably a big. No way a bird is that big. Bro, a vulture is big, bro. Animals. What? Can you imagine, bro? Largest prehistoric mammal. That shit big. Arthropod. So arthropod is like what? Motherfuckers that's on the float, I'm guessing. That's a big ass slippery thingy. Ugh! Ew, bro. I don't know if them animals look like that for real, or they just fucked up. Oh my god. Saltwater crocodile. That's a big ass snake. 46 feet, bro. 14 meters, 46 feet. Impossible, man. Wow. Imagine living with these, bro. I know they used to hunt the mammoth things like that. I know the dodo bird is extinct. Look how big, bro. Elephants always been big, bro. Wow. Big ass bird. Crazy, bro. I never knew kangaroos was like strong because I saw a video. Like I never knew they was that fucking strong. Like 6 packs. Not even like they just strong as hell. Like they been working out, bro. I'm probably could they jump, you know, all day. You know what I'm saying? That shit ugly, bro. That damn big ass. What is that? You lying? World turtle. Hold on. What is a world turtle, bro? What is a world turtle? World turtle. They gotta be lying. They gotta be lying. Oh, okay. I was finna say, oh my god. Come on, don't be doing that. Don't do that. Don't do that. I was finna say, but ain't no way a turtle that big. Okay, okay. So what the hell is this? Okay. But anyways, if y'all like the video, make sure you follow, subscribe to my channel. Don't fake me out. Follow, subscribe.